I'm going to show you how to sew a blind stitch hem, which is used usually to hem trousers. You can use it to hem skirts as well, or dresses, or any other garments that you're working on. So I'm going to be using this fabric for demonstration purposes, and I have my hand sewing needle. So I'm just going to thread my needle, and you only need one thread, not double thread. So I'm just going to separate the two threads, as you can see. Then I'm going to make a knot. First, let me just cut it out. Then I'm going to make a knot on one thread. So remember, guys, this is important. You don't have to use two threads, double thread. You only have to use one single thread, like I have done. Then you're going to start stitching. So I'm just going to fold this. Let's assume this is our hem of a trousers, or a hem or of a skirt or a dress or anything. So I'm just going to fold it, as you can see. So I've decided to use a black thread on a white fabric so that you guys can see what I'm doing. But when you're stitching, you have to use the same color of thread. If you're sewing on a white fabric, use a white thread. So let's start sewing our blind stitch hem. So you have to sew one stitch like I am doing. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side. You have to start from the wrong side, because the purpose of all this is to make sure that the stitch doesn't show on the right side. So you have to pick a little fabric and then go like that. So this is the hem. On the wrong side, you make a longer stitch. Then on the right side, just pick little, how do I explain this? Just a little pinch of fabric, just like in a grain of thread. You pick it once, then you go on the wrong side. So guys, I'll show you on the right side how beautiful it looks and neat. So you pick just a tiny bit of fabric and let the needle penetrate through, like I am doing, like that. Then you go on the wrong side with a bigger thread, like I am doing. Then on the right side, just pick a little pinch. So let me show you on the right side how it's looking. You can only see tiny dots. Now imagine if you used a white thread, you can literally see nothing. So you're able to see that because I'm using a black thread. But this is the wrong side and this is the right.